classification of elements. We have numerous elements in this world. So, for easy understanding and better looking, those elements are put in a table by classifying them on the basis of their properties. How does evolution of this periodic table? Let's talk about Dobrin's triads. Johannes Wolfgang Dobrin's attempted to classify elements in 1817. On doing so, he noticed that certain elements showed similar properties and could be placed in groups of 3. Dobrin's named these as triads. He arranged the elements in the increasing order of their atomic mass, where the atomic mass of the middle element was approximately the average of the atomic masses of extreme elements. But we aren't using this table now because it has some drawbacks. So let's look at the drawbacks. The drawbacks of Dobrin's triads. Firstly, he did not arrange all the elements known at that time in the form of triads. Secondly, some elements having similar properties were not following the rule of triads. Example, carbon, silicon and germanium have similar properties, but the atomic mass of silicon is 28. It does not lie anywhere near the average of that of carbon, which is 12, and germanium, which is 72. Here, the average atomic mass, that is atomic mass of carbon plus atomic mass of germanium divided by 2, which is 12 plus 72 divided by 2, which is 84 by 2. That is 42. 42 is nowhere near the atomic mass of silicon.